Okay, so while waiting, I'm going to give you a pro tip. Alrighty. People have a very difficult time cutting into butternut squash. That's why a lot of times I buy already chunked because I don't have to worry with that part. I don't blame them. But so with this, what we want to do is you want to section it off. And also you want to use a heavy chef knife, but I don't really recommend your straight edge chef knives. You want the ones with a rounded tip. Okay, because if you're trying to seesaw across something, here's what they'll do, right? They're trying to cut through and they're doing this, and then the sharp end can go right up into your hand. So you don't want that. So you're going to take the butternut squash, you cut the top off, right? And then you stop it at the neck. So you have two separate pieces. Okay, and that makes it much easier to break down. So then once you do that, you're just going to go down the edges. And you're just peeling it. Take the bottom off. And I'm just going to go around the bottom and get that bottom part there that's rounded. I can tell you what, that cornbread is smelling good. So you want to do this as safely as possible, but just make sure it's good and ripe first, and then it won't be so difficult to break down. Okay, so you've got all of that. And now you're safe to just go ahead and cut it in half. And we'll use a spoon to scoop out the seeds and what have you. Right, and we just use something to scoop that out, no biggie. Same thing with the neck. We're just going to go down. I love how they smell. They smell fresh like melon. And you can always tell when they're not particularly ripe. They just be like trying to crack in the Fort Knox or something.